Good day. Happy 52nd anniversary celebration today. It is not the enjoyment that we bring together as we reach this far as a fraternity. However, we will embrace our closeness, understanding, support, and in one spirit. We will continue to do our share, to serve, and live the truth to those who ask from as the best that we can perform. We should walk, travel, and work together as a brothers and sisters with one family and blood of Alpha Kappa. Let us show our solid and oneness with our spirit of unity. We will continue to bend on ourselves and pursuing the highest purpose of humanitarian and social service. Keep and preserve the good name of Alpha Kappa. Long live